Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Jenkins on your AWS EC2 instance. Alright guys, this video will proceed in various simple steps, and the steps include: first of all, we'll have to create an AWS EC2 instance. Next, we'll create a hostname, install wget command, install Jenkins repository, and next we will import the key from Jenkins, and then we'll upgrade the install packages to the latest, add required dependencies for the Jenkins package, install Jenkins, reload the unit files, enable and start Jenkins service. Alright guys, I'm going to show you in this video how to go about this by very simple commands, guys. So that will be easy. Alright guys, let's jump in. So we'll begin with the first step that says creating an EC2 instance. So we'll go to our browser and we'll log into AWS. Okay, AWS, as you can see, this is mine. Okay, so if you don't have an account on AWS, please go ahead and create an account on AWS. It's very easy. Go to your browser and just type in AWS, and you should be able to access that. Okay, so let's just do AWS, right? AWS. Okay, if you do this, you will get these results right here. You can go right here and you can get an account on AWS. It's very easy, guys. Once you're in, you can create an instance like I'm showing you in this video. Right, guys, so let's go back to here. I've already signed in, as you can see. I'm signed in. And so the next thing you want to do is you want to go to let's go to this, my dashboard. And you can see right here, I do have some instances running, as you can see. I'm going to go to instances right here. These are all those I've created that are running already. I'm going to start this video by creating a fresh instance for this video, okay? Let's go to launch instances. And then we'll go to here, the instance name. Let's do YT instance, YT Jenkins, YT Jenkins. Instance, okay, instance. Okay, next thing we'll do is we'll choose Red Hat right here for Amazon machine. We'll choose Red Hat. Okay, so next thing we'll do is, sorry about that, we will go down here and choose in the instance tab, we'll choose T2 medium. T2 medium. Okay, and we can go right here and create a key pair for ourselves if we want to. I already have a key pair, so I'm going to go my key pair right here. And so you can just go here and say create a new key pair. It's very easy. Just go right here and then choose the key pair I already have here, which is the main key. And now that I have my main key selected right here, and just to know, it doesn't matter, I can choose any of the keys that you made earlier, but I'm going to choose my main key, which is the one I chose, I made before the video. Right, so let's go here to creating a security group. Okay, so let's, now, just so that you have the option of choosing an already existing security group. But the thing is that the groups that I have here don't have the correct ports that I need. So I want to create the ones that I want, or the one that I want with the right port. So I'm going to choose create security group right here. And then next I'm going to go to, all right, I'm going to go down, and click on launch instance. Okay, let's go right here. And then we can see the instance is launching. Okay. And then look at the log right here. It says it has succeeded. Let's go to our EC2 dashboard and see. And instances. There you go. You can see that my instance is yet to go live. So I'm going to refresh this page quickly. Refresh the page. And there you go. I can see the YT Jenkins instance right here. YT Jenkins. So I'm going to open this quickly. I'll open this and have a look right here. You see, this is my public IP address and private. As you go down here, you can see that I can see my security group as well. So here, this is the one I chose, my security group I chose right here. I want to call your attention to one thing, guys. In this security group, I chose, it comes with the default of port 22, but I need to open other ports on this security group. So I'm just going to note the name. Here it says here, name is Launch Security Wizard 7. Okay, let's go right here to the left-hand side of the screen and choose security groups. And this is security group 7. Let's go to 7. For 7, that is the Launch Wizard 7. This is the one. Let's just verify again, go back one step and see here it says Launch Wizard 7. So that's correct. Okay, so if we go forward again back to the page, and we can see that this is our security group right here. Let's go into it. And once we're into it, you can see it has this port as a default port open right here. So what we'll do is to edit the inbound rules. Click right there to edit inbound rules. Click right there, and you're on this page. And once you're here, you can add 2 rules. Okay, the first rule we'll add is we're going to add with this custom TCP, and here we're going to add the ports as 8080, and here we're going to say we can access from anywhere. Choose 00, 0.0.0, choose right there, and then we'll also go at another rule. Here would say here we want to make the port 80, and we can access from anywhere as well. So once these are done, just go here and click on Save Rules. Okay, now the rules are saving and have saved. Now that we have created the server, the next thing we want to do that we want to access the server, and we'll do that through a secure shell. Let's go to our instances and go to the YT Jenkins instance right here. Right here, we can see that we have a public IP address here. Let's copy it right away. And then we will go to our secure shell. In this case, we'll be using mobile XTEM. It's my mobile XTEM right here. I'm going to open a new session right here. And then I'm going to click on secure shell here, enter my IP address. And then I'm going to enter my specific username, which in this case is going to be EC2 user. And I'm going to click on advanced settings here. Click right there. And then it opens up to this page. Here I need to choose the option that says use private key. Choose this right here, and then I will click on this to search for the private key. So I'm going to use the same key that I used earlier, the main key. Okay, I'm going to search for main key. I'm going to say right key. Okay, and that is it, right? Main key.pen. I'll choose it, and there you go. You have it right here. So once that's done, I can click on OK, and I'll be logged into my terminal. Let's choose accept, and there you go. I'm right there in my terminal. So the very first thing we'll do, guys, is to run through the script that we need to install Jenkins. Okay, so the very first thing I want to do here is, let me show you my script right here, which is exactly the steps I documented on the screen earlier. So we'll create a host name. Okay, so I'm going to use some commands right now, and don't worry, I would attach the commands in the video description somewhere so you can find it very easily. So that's fine. Let's click on this first command here to create a host name, which says sudo hostname CTL right here. So go right here and create a host name. Okay, and this says here create the host name, make the host name Jenkins. So now it has been done. Let's check if our host name is actually Jenkins at this point. Let's see. Let's type in host name. It says here Jenkins. Okay, so that's good. Next thing we'll do, guys, is to go back to our script here and install wget command. Now this command is what we use to install packages on the terminal, but sometimes it doesn't exist on the terminal originally. So let's go back to the terminal and have a look. Let's go to wget. Okay, let's do wget help. Okay, to see if the command exists on a terminal, we can see that it doesn't exist on the terminal, so we can install this command. So what we'll do is to go back to our script here and install the command by using this so you can install wget by using this right here. Okay, so let's go back to terminal. I will do the command sudo yum install wget, and that is supposed to install wget command. Okay, it's still running. Okay, it says it has succeeded and it says here complete. So that is good. So the next thing I want to do, guys, want to do the next step, which is to install Jenkins repository right here. Is the next step. But let's go to this command and copy it right away. Let's copy it. Go back to our terminal, and then we will, because I want to make sure that the commands appear top of the screen for us. So what we can do is to let's simply use the clear command. The clear command just clears the screen, right? Clear command. Let's also make this smaller so we have a bigger screen to ourselves. And then let's enter the command we copied, which is this command right here, to install the repository for Jenkins. Okay, and this is installing. Okay, at this point, this is definitely done. So the next thing we'll do is to go back to our script and have a look at the next step, which is here we have already installed the repository. Next thing is to import the key from Jenkins, and this is the key right here. That is the command. So we'll import the key from Jenkins, and don't forget, guys, if this command doesn't go through, it's okay. It just means that the key has already been imported. Let's go back to terminal and let's enter the command. Okay. Okay, so this command is done. It just simply imports the key from Jenkins. Okay, so the next step is back to our script. We will at this point upgrade the packages that are installed on the system by using the command sudo yum upgrade right here. So we'll do that quickly right now. Back to terminal, and we'll enter the command, and it starts to upgrade the system. This runs for a bit of time, so what I'll do is just to keep the video simple and short, I will pause the video. I will proceed once it is complete. Hey, now the action is complete. We can see it says here it's complete, so we can proceed with our next step. So let's just go to a script and get our next step here, which is to add the required dependencies for the Jenkins package. Go right here and copy this command. Then back to our terminal, and we'll just clear the screen once more. And then enter the command. And there we go. That's running right now. Okay, this is installing Jenkins dependencies, and one of them is Java, which is very important, without which Jenkins cannot run. So that's important. Okay, so it's installing right now. Okay. That is still installing, and I'd have to probably pause the video if it delays us. If not, we'll let it run. Okay. Yes, I'm just going to pause the video quickly. Oh, it just says complete, so that's good. It's now complete, so that's cool. The next thing we do is to go to our script and get our next step here. Our next step is to install Jenkins. And back to our terminal. Okay. and then we'll install Jenkins. Let's clear our screen. Then install Jenkins. Okay, I think we got the wrong command here. Let's go back to our script. Okay. And copy this one more time. And paste this. Let's run it. And there we go. This is installing Jenkins now. You can see there's a progress here, right here. 37, 46, 50. It goes on. And it's coming to an end. It's almost complete. And now it's complete. The installation of Jenkins is complete. Now let's go to our next step on our script, which is here we will reload the unit files. Okay, right here with this command. Back to our terminal, and we'll clear our screen. And then we will get the command. Okay, and this steps to reload. And this is done. What we can do next is to go for our next command, which is to start Jenkins. Okay, to start Jenkins. So we can use the command here to enable Jenkins. We can say sudo systemctl enable Jenkins. Okay, we can do that right here and go to our terminal and enter sudo systemctl enable Jenkins. And then we'll enter, and that runs. We'll go for our next command to start Jenkins. Okay, which is sudo systemctl start Jenkins. This will start our Jenkins on the server. Okay, let's copy that right away and go to our terminal, and then we'll enter that and give it some time. Okay, and that has gone through. The next thing we'll do is to we can now start Jenkins. Okay, so what we'll do is to go to our AWS server right away, and we'll go there. We will copy this IP address, and don't forget, guys, we made our port 8080. So we'll simply go here, go to our browser, and we'll type in this IP address and put a colon and 8080. Okay, and it loads this page, and this is our Jenkins here. Jenkins is almost live. Okay, so let's go here. Let's copy this right away. It says it to ensure Jenkins is securely set up. A password has been written to the log. So let's go here and copy this. Let's copy this. To view the password, what we'll do is we can simply go in here. Having copied that, we'll go in here and we'll paste, we'll cut this file. So want to view the contents of that file, it will cut this file. Okay, and it says here, permission denied. And this is happening because of one reason. We are a Jenkins user here. If you recall, in the first step, we went ahead to change the username or the hostname to Jenkins, right? So we're going to go back to, we'll change our username, guys, to the roots, possibly, so that we can have access to the password for Jenkins. So let's go back to terminal. In our terminal, we can simply say sudo switch user. Okay. And at this point, let's do who am I. It says here that I am root, so that's good for us. So next thing, we can go back and we'll enter the same command that we had earlier. Okay. Same command. Let's enter this command right here. Let's copy directly. We'll enter it, and it is our password, as we can see right here. It's our password. We'll copy it and go back to our browser, Jenkins, and enter the password. We can continue. and we can see that our password and Jenkins is live. Here we go. Okay, so this is how you install Jenkins on your AWS EC2 instance. And guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see my next video. Bye for now.